Hey there, welcome to my yard. Um, I've just been posting more frequently from my yard than I do my reselling because right now I had a good day yesterday. It's just when it's slow, summer slowdown, there's just not a lot to talk about. So thought I'd show you all my plants. These are popping. Little cherry. These are what is it called when they're special? Um, Heirloom cherry tomatoes. And this is a mandarin honeysuckle that's doing good. And this total waste of money is doing good over here. This is a perennial that doesn't live through the year, but I like it to go up the pole here. And that's our new light, which I hate because it's on all night instead of being motion sensor. I didn't read the fine China print. And I'm stripped and fell to my death. Let's see, what else do we have over here? We have these I planted like 2 years ago. They're doing good. That fir is in a pot on a dead tree stump. And then everything else, I did do a little trimming of the butterfly garden of the trees that were growing, but I didn't do this left side over here. So I got to do that. And we need to feed the birds. So let's get to our chores. I don't have to water today because it's been raining the last few days. Although I do want to go over and check on this plant I got at the Hudson Home and Garden Show. And it's called something sapphire. No, something. Golly, it starts with an S. What is that color? Let's see here. Scarlet. Drop more scarlet. And it needs to go in the ground, is what it needs. My son is supposed to be doing that this week. So planted this a couple of years ago. Hey, look, a little butterfly. See it? Hi. You're brown. Okay. And then Pachysandra, looking good. I gotta get in there and get those little trees out of there. We do need to clean up back here. Greg's gonna take the chainsaw to those dead trees right there eventually. Here's one. He started it and then he hurt his hand. So here we are in the backyard, and we got to get the bird feeders. But here's the butterfly garden looking good. I did see a hummingbird in here the other day. I don't know, the hostas had just bloomed, so he was in one of those. But there's like a bee over there enjoying some pollen. I can't remember what's in here. I want to say it's like cardinal flower and like that's the only one. Cornflower, maybe that's what it's in here. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get the bird feeders and we're going to feed the birds. First one is right here. Now I have a strategy for the squirrels. I don't put the same feeders back where they were before. Okay? That's my strategy. So, get this one. Then, we probably need a scoop over there. And we got to get the 2 feeders over here. I'm just going to leave y'all there. I'll move you closer. You can enjoy the sunshine. And the birds chirping. You gotta let that dry out. Don't want to put don't want to go in there with my this way. Mm. 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 My bird seed right there. I get my bird seed at Costco, and I get two bags to fill up this trash can, and it usually lasts me all summer. Oops, made a mess. Set this out here. And then there's one feeder I just realized the chipmunks have gotten to. It has, they ate the plastic around the hole of the feed. So it's just a big gaping hole that they just squeeze in and just have a merry old time. So I'm not going to put any in that one anymore. Okay. Now, let's see here. Let's put y'all right. Cha. Excuse my throat. Probably heard that. My stomach. Okay, I'm gonna go put these out. Oops, sorry. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, that was fun. I hope you had fun too. Now I'm gonna go eat. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.